Oh my god, I'm coughing again. Hi guys, it's Nyra. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if it's your first time here. What's up? So today I'm going to be filming a try on haul for all of you. I got some goodies from H&M, Marshalls, some random place at one of my local malls. So let's just get into it. Okay, the first item we'll start with is the bodysuit that I'm wearing right now. First of all, look at the sleeves. I'm giving you like fairy godmother realness. That's how I feel about like trumpet sleeves like these. I think it's so cute though. Yeah, just like a scoop, I think they're called a scoop neck bodysuit, black with polka dots. I thought it'd be really cute to wear to work, so that's really why I got it. I'm such an adult. So now let's move on to some items that aren't on my body. No, I got two pair of shoes that I've been wanting for a while, and I didn't buy just because I didn't buy them. no good reason, I just didn't buy them. But they're two pair of shoes that like nobody has. Like I don't see these anywhere like on Instagram or anything. So like I'm really excited to like try something different. Yep. But they're like so cute. Like just the aesthetic of Vans, like it's just so cute. Like the way that people style these, the way that I style these, like they're just so cute. And they go with everything. They go with literally everything, every color, every outfit. If you own these two pair of shoes, you don't have to wear anything else. If I'm not going to work, these are the only two shoes I've worn since I bought them. Like I don't even need another pair of shoes. All right, so let's look at some clothes from H&M. I got this regular schmegular all black like pullover. Well, it's not a pullover, it's just a sweater. Can I talk or no? Just a regular black sweater just to throw on. It's really cute, isn't it? Yeah, so it's just a regular black sweater to throw on. I really like the quality of H&M sweaters. Even like their thinner, like loose knit sweaters are really good for layering, and then their thicker knit sweaters like these ones are like really warm, like good for the winter. So I really liked this purchase. I get a lot of use out of it already. Next, I got this yellow sweater. It says Toronto on it because my husband is actually from Toronto. And my husband, I don't mean my actual fiance, I mean Drake. Yep, like this yellowy orange Toronto Bears University wait, that don't make no sense. This green dress, it is a size 4, European size 34, and it's like green with some stripes. It got some pink in it, and the shape of this, look, there's not even a body in this dress right now, and look at the shape of this. That's how you know it's gonna look nice when you put it on, and it does. It looks so cute. I have this regular black and white striped shirts. Some purchases are made more like with work in mind, and that was kind of one of these purchases. Obviously, like I could wear this like out, like with it, I could make a really cute outfit out of this, but like I got this with the intention of like going to work in clothes that won't get me fired from my place of employment, you know? I got these really cool pants. I wasn't sure about them at first. They're a size 6. They were on sale, so that's why I just went ahead and bought them. They were on sale for $10, so I was like, why not try something new for like such a cheap price? And they're like silky. They kind of look like pajama pants, but if you style this the right way, it will look bomb. So yeah, we'll see how this performs in my wardrobe, or if it performs at all. I may never wear it. Right, so I went to this cute, I don't even remember the name of the store. It's just like those cute like cheap stores like in the mall. That's where I went. Like mauve colored shirt with meshing up top and on the arms, and it's really cute. I like the way that this fits. I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of this, so you know, cute. I love long sleeve V-neck shirts. I love them. I could live in them. They dress up any outfit because you're just wearing a basic long sleeve shirt, but you put it on and it's cut so cute and it fits so tight that it just like draws you in, makes your body look nice, and like just dresses up your outfit. I don't even know how to explain it, but they're my favorite kind of tops, and this one's super good quality, and it was only like, this is like $10, I think. It was like so cheap, and I was like in real literal shock. So yeah, it just is like this, and this like holding it like this doesn't even do it justice. The try on will though, and it is just so super cute, like with a pair of like ripped jeans, like some Vans, or even like some booties, like heeled or no heel, like ugh. I got this long sleeve turtleneck shirt. And like I said, my favorite kind of shirts are long sleeve V-necks. I was like, I should try a turtleneck because like I could tell this was gonna fit like snug and nice and look like really shapely too. So I just picked this up. And we also have a black lace up bodysuit. And yeah, like everybody and their mama has one of these, but I just kind of didn't. So yeah, I just picked one up. I didn't necessarily need one, but it's a cute shirt, so why not? And I really like bodysuits. So I have these pants. They're so cute. They're like those groovy pants that make your butt look good. Ouch! What the heck? They are like navy blue and white. Why do people do that? Like in like haul videos, like, oh, they're navy blue and white. You can see that they're navy blue and white. Why do we do that? Next, I have this super nice fitted. Oh, okay, there's a thread. Okay, ball out, sis. Next, I have this like this nice scalloped detailed dress. It's kind of like a bodycon dress, but like it's not too scandalous, you know what I mean? The neckline is right, you ain't got all your boobies out. It's really cute. It's really classy. I have my new favorite pants ever. I'm literally going to wear them everywhere. It's this like kind of copper red. I think that's what it's like. I think I'm saying that right. Like copper red, like kind of cargo pants, and they are so freaking cute. They don't go all the way down to the ankle. They're not supposed to. They like stop. They have like really cool zipper detailings around the ankle, and like the pockets are so cool. I just feel so cool when I wear these. I feel like Kim Possible, call me, beat me if you want to reach me. If you want to reach me, don't, because I am so antisocial. I hate talking to people. When people call my phone, I'll be like, what do you want? Oh my god, I forward so many calls a day. This isn't a joke either. If y'all know me, you know I do not like talking on the phone with nobody. Next from Marshall's, surprise, surprise, we'll let y'all in on a little secret, okay? A little bit of a secret. I'm going on a cruise in November, and I'm so excited about it that I literally have to force myself to not buy cruise clothes in March. This romper with the cruise in mind, and I can't wait. Oh my god, it's gonna be so much fun. But yeah, I got this really cute romper. And I feel like this is really Dominican Republic-y, don't you feel? Oh my god, mommy. Oh, mirando la chica tan bonita. I cannot wait. I can't wait. Okay, so these pants are actually from H&M, but I mixed up the bags because I'm what? A professional. These are like high-waisted green pants. Really cute, really like stylish. They're like cigarette pants. Okay, the last piece of clothing. Me and my boy toy, he's literally my fiance. I'm so irritating. Me and my fiance took a trip down to Philly, little road trip to see his family, and we went to this mall, and I was trying to shop, but like I wouldn't let myself, and I wish I would have just let myself let loose, like, girl, spend your money, but I just didn't. I got these pair of jeans. They were on sale. I think these were like $8, and I was like, that's impressive. The problem with these was that they would not fit past my calves. I cut the sides of the pants, real like vintage looking. You know, I didn't do it too messy. I did it, you know, it looks kind of stylish. Looks like it's supposed to be there, but it's not. I cut it to make wiggle room for me to be able to fit my calves, like my ankle, not my calves, like to be able to fit my ankles through the pants. So that is it for my winter to spring haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all this clothing that I like really didn't need to buy. And I hope that you guys maybe were inspired. Maybe you're gonna try to find a piece like something I have, or you know, you think that you could make a new outfit out of something that you saw today or something like that. I don't know. I hope you got something from this video. I hope maybe I inspired you, or I even just entertained you with my foolish shenanigans for the last couple of minutes. And if you enjoyed this video, leave me a like and a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And I'll see you in the next one, okay? Bye. I'm so annoying.
All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in a struggle, too blessed to be humble. I guess it's different in the city I come from. All of a sudden